welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the KEMIMOTO rear luggage rack. After the intro. I set out all the pieces that came with the kit. Here's the tools you're going to need: is a 1/2-inch wrench, a 5mm Allen, a 6mm Allen, and a plastic pry tool. We're first going to assemble the rack itself, leave it a little loose, and then we'll bring it over to the bike to mount it to the bike. Now that I got the rack assembled, I left it loose on each side for adjustments when mounting to the bike. Head over to the bike. Now that we're at the bike, take your plastic panel tool remover or a flathead screwdriver and just take the two caps off on each side. There'll be a threaded insert in each hole. Now that we got the panel plugs removed, we're going to take the bracket and just slide it on, let it rest there. Grab our bolts and put some blue Loctite on it. Grab our spacer, put it behind, feed the bolt in, start tightening. Same thing with the back bolt. Spacer on the inside. Feed the bolt through. Start tightening. Going to leave those loose until we do the other side. Just repeat the process on the other side. I snugged all these up, and then I adjusted this to the height that I wanted it, or where I wanted it, and snugged that up as well. Overall, the install was pretty quick and easy. I also picked up this bag for the bike too. Figured it'd be nice to have. Now I just gotta figure out how I want it to go on here. Face that way or that way. We'll see. We'll see what looks best after I get it on. Came with quite a few attachments to mount it. Also came with straps to wear it as a backpack. We'll see what it looks like when it's done. Well, I think I'm going to try it this way for now, see how I like it. If I don't like it that way, I'll turn it back around. How did today's install go?
Fast. And please like us and subscribe.